Welcome, my phone is an OPPO A9 2020 and today I'll show you how to add a fingerprint to the device. So to get started, open up settings and then scroll down till you see fingerprint, face and password. And from here choose a fingerprint. Now before you can actually add a fingerprint, you will also have to have another way of unlocking the device, so you'll have a choice between pin, pattern, password. So I just tap on that, add a fingerprint, and right here by default it shows a pin, which you can choose to have actually something else. So to tap on other encryption methods, you have a choice between pattern, 4-digit passcode, 4 to 16 numeric passcode, and 4 to 16 alphabetical password, or well, not really passcode but password. So I'm just gonna stick with the pattern. It's simple, but the process is the same one. You put in your desired protection and then you repeat the same one. So for instance, the pattern, you draw it once and then you redraw the same pattern once more. And here you get the option to now add a fingerprint. So all you really need to do now is start tapping away on the sensor that is located on the back of the device. Now once you tap on it, it will automatically proceed on. So you can see I didn't really press anything apart from the sensor. And at the first start, you want to get a good read of the middle of your finger, so basically everywhere around here. Just repeatedly tap on the center of it. Then let's tap on continue, and now you want to get the edges of your fingers, so anything outside of the middle basically. So try to get like all the edges like so, and then tap on continue. And here is your one fingerprint. So finger one, that's basically the one that we have added. You can leave this now, and when you lock the device, you'll have either option to unlock it with the pattern like so, or with the fingerprint. So you just lock it and there we go. You can see that I'm unlocking it with my finger. Now the unlock is really quick actually, so that's nice. But yeah, that is how you add it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.